What if you could generate professional quality artwork in seconds? Stable Diffusion is revolutionizing how artists create. Here's exactly how to unlock its full potential. Stable Diffusion is an open-source AI model that transforms text prompts into stunning images. Unlike closed platforms, it runs locally on your computer, giving you complete creative control. It's free, powerful, and perfect for artists wanting to explore AI-assisted creation without limitations or subscriptions. Craft better images with these techniques. Start with a clear subject, add artistic styles like oil painting or cyberpunks, specify lighting and mood, then refine with quality modifiers like detailed, 4K, or intricate. Experiment with negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. Specificity equals better results. Master sampling steps, guidance scale, and seed values. Higher steps mean more refined images but slower generation. Guidance scale controls how strictly AI follows your prompt, balance creativity with accuracy. Fixed seeds let you reproduce results. These settings unlock limitless variations from identical prompts. Use Stable Diffusion for concept art, portfolio pieces, design inspiration, or commercial projects. Combine AI outputs with traditional techniques for hybrid artwork. Many professional designers now integrate it into their workflow to accelerate creativity and explore new artistic directions faster than ever before. Like this video and subscribe for more AI art techniques. Drop a comment. What will you create first with Stable Diffusion?